Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
What's your name?
My name is Afrin Musani.
What's your first name?
My first name is Afrin.
What's your surname?
My surname is Musani.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Muqsid Ali.
What's your mother's name?
My mother name is Nayantara.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
How many sisters do you have?
I have not sister.
Where do you live in?
I live in Darginara.
Which class do you read in?
I read in class 5.
What does your father do?
He is a tailor.
What does your mother do?
She is a housewife.
In which state do you live in?
I live in West Bengal.
What is name of your country?
The name of my country is India.
What is your nationality?
I am an Indian.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 4 members our family.
Who are they?
They are my father, mother, brother and me.
Who is the head of your family?
My father is the head of our family.
What does your father do?
He is a tailor.
What does your mother do?
She is a housewife.
Do you love your grandparents?
Yes, I love them very much.
Do you have any brother or sister?
Yes, I have one brother and not sister.
How old is your brother?
He is a 20 years old.
Who takes care of you?
My mother takes care of me.
Do you have any aunt?
Yes, I have one aunt. Only one aunt.
Who is your relation with your family?
I love all family members very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
চলছে
লেখাপড়া শিখে যারা তারা বড় হয়, জ্ঞান ছাড়া পৃথিবীতে কেউ বড় নয়।
ভর্তি চলছে ভর্তি চলছে ভর্তি চলছে